What is up, YouTube? Bakersfield, out here on my last job of the day. Thought it was going to be an easy one. Well, that didn't turn out to be an easy one, let me just tell you that. Over here at one of my property management companies. It doesn't look too bad, sun's shining. You're going to say, oh, that's not bad, but it's dirty. It's got some weird lighting, but anyways, that should have been replaced. But actually, it doesn't look as bad right now because I did pre-treat it already. So that's covering up a lot of the damage I already did upstairs. But time to do some CRB in here. Get this going. But yeah, I've been here for an hour already working upstairs. This is a heavy restore clean we got going on here because they got somebody moving in tomorrow and they didn't check the unit beforehand. This one should have been replaced. It's a nasty polyester. It's not even pulling the nap up that much. That's how bad this carpet is crushed. Yeah, so what happened, normally they would replace these things because the carpet is so old. But the problem is, somebody's moving in tomorrow morning. So, what do you tell them? Well, I can do what I can, no guarantees. That's it. It's on them. I don't know. The upstairs cleaned up okay. But look at that, they had a rug right there so you can see the you can see that line right there. And it's just right here should fluff up if nothing's ever walked on that. I've done the carpet for the person who used to live here. A couple times they paid me to do it. And, yeah, it was rough each time. So that's why I assumed they were going to replace it and upgrade the unit. They charge quite a bit for these things. A 3-bedroom townhome, I think they go for over $1,000 a month. Maybe more, maybe around 12. So, I mean, I don't know. If I was moving into one of these, I would want new carpet if I'm going to pay that much, but whatever. Whatever works. But like I said, if you guys do jobs like this, it's no guarantee. If you watch Courtney over at Truman Steamers, he's got a form he has everybody sign. Yeah, I've been doing work with this company for many years, so yeah, I don't worry about a form. Verbal agreement's fine. Never have issues, never had, never will. But they know what I tell them is the truth. If I can do it, I can do it. If I can't guarantee it, they know not to get their hopes up too high. So I just wish, if it was a newer polyester, it may respond a little better. But look at that, it's just not fluffing up that much. A little bit, but nothing like nylon would. I might do some time-lapse carpet cleaner. I haven't done that in a while. Maybe I'll do, I got a nice little ledge. What's this thing I'm looking at? My finger? Come on, camera. Yeah, I got a ledge right there, so I should be able to lock it on there and get some good footage. Little kick out. Just so you know, that's not too much junk in the carpet. That's just polyester fiber pulling it out as it comes across it. That's just cheap polyester fiber. It does that. Most of that is just carpet fuzz. All that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and maybe get some time lapse going here. Okay, just finishing up the last part here. Trying to figure out where to put the camera. Time lapse I think I have this thing set. It's got multiple settings. I think I got it on the wrong one, so I won't track it. To be honest, it cleaned up a lot better than I was expecting. You can still see the dirt coming through on the sight tube. Cut that out. Oh man.